right, we're going on a quick test drive here. The car has 11,209 miles on it. We're in sport mode with the exhaust baffles open. I'm also in manual mode. This is an automatic, but I'm using the paddle shifters. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. I'm gonna hit the brakes here. Brakes are solid, no vibrations. Steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. Shifts nice and smooth. Really no complaints with the drivability of the car. Suspension feels good. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting here on the front, you do have full front clip PPF. So the full fender, headlights, that little trim piece, full hood, full front bumper, as well as this gloss black piece. All has PPF on it. This splitter does not have any film. Like I said, full fender. And then you have this lower section, and then maybe the first 2 inches on the lower side of the door, and then this area fully protected with PPF paint protection film. Here on the front right wheel, looking for any curb rash. That's nice and clean. Now you're gonna have a few rock chips here and there, but overall it's a great looking wheel. Scanning that fender. If you look right here, you're gonna see a lot of imperfections on that film. It's like a hard water stains, and you can feel it. Has a lot of texture to it. And that's in this area mainly. And then you're gonna see a lot of kind of orange peel effect on this film. So you're gonna see the dimples all throughout. That looks like it's just in the film there. This section does not have any film. So you can see how pretty that paint is versus that. Then you have that protection down here. Side mirrors protected. Little flaw on the film there. A-pillar looks good. Scanning the roof here. That center looks nice. I do see some little scuffs throughout. A couple hard water spots. Looking at that door edge. Door edge feels good. Now you're gonna see little micro scratches throughout the car from just like everyday washing. Little scuffs here and there. Full paint correction, and those should all go away. That lower section looks good. And looking on this area, you have the film. And so it looks like this might have snagged the film and potentially chipped the paint as well. And there are some surface scratches here on that film. Like I said, it's there to protect it. You can see a little scuff here, a little imperfection. You're going to see those little swirls kind of throughout the paint. Upper section looks nice. You have film on that very edge. Here on this wheel, looks really good. So you do have gloss black vinyl overlaid on that PPF, and you're gonna see like the bubbles and kind of swirls in that film. You're gonna have the flaws here, and then looking at this, all of this is protected. Scanning that hood. And looking at the headlight, you can see on this film there is a lot of texture. You can see all these little dots. That's the same here, if you can see that in the right lighting. Overall, that front end's really clean. Got this kind of hard plastic splitter, gloss black, looks really good. Looks like we have a gash here. I'm looking at that splitter. Looks really nice. You do have a little rash on the very edge, but other than that, it's very clean. Very aggressive looking splitter. Looks awesome. That wheel looks nice. Fender looks good. A couple scuffs on that film. That looks good. This side of the roof is clean. Looking at the door. Looks awesome. A couple small scuffs on the door edge. That wheel's in great condition. Here on the top side, all of that looks good. Typical little swirls from everyday washing. You're going to see these little squiggly kind of scuffs throughout on that clear coat. All of that looks good. Lower diffuser looks nice. Little swirls here and there. Might be hard to see. You can see all those little surface scratches. Very subtle though. That can all be paint corrected. Besides that, looks really good. Very clean car. All of that looks really nice. Engine bay is very clean. That sticker is peeling a little bit, but everything else back here looks perfect. Beautiful, beautiful car. And then right here on the edge of this little spoiler, you're gonna see little scratches throughout. And then here on that spoiler, this is a good view of the surface scratches that you're gonna see on the car every once in a while. Like I said, all of that should be able to be paint corrected and you wouldn't be able to see it. All right, checking out the interior. Smells really nice in here. Upper panel's perfect. I don't see any flaws here. Got the locking gas cap here, and then your button for your trunk. Handle area is nice and clean. That trim is in great condition. Door jambs look awesome. That bolster's pretty much perfect. Now you're gonna have a tiny little bit of wear on the stitching right here from the seatbelt just kind of rubbing it. But otherwise, that is a really clean bolster. Upper section looks good. Bottom looks nice. Here in the steering wheel, a little scuff right here. But otherwise, it looks really good. All of that's clean. That looks good. Got your sport mode, heated seats. All of This looks good. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Here, this is nice and secure. Typical wear on the edges, couple little scuffs. Everything else back here looks good. All right, here on the passenger panel, upper section looks amazing. All of that's clean. The handle area is good. That trim is beautiful. Couple little scuffs every once in a while there. That bolster looks amazing. You can see some light scratches here on that bolster. But otherwise, the rest of that seat looks pretty much perfect. Little center console area looks good. Here on the dash, you can see the plaque there. All of that leather is perfect up here. Zero separation. Alcantara headliner, LED light there. Absolutely gorgeous on this side. And of course you do have your back seat. All of that looks really nice. Here on the seat itself, you do have some gashes and a couple scuffs. A little bit of wear on the edges on some of these little spots. And with the seat all the way back, of course you have zero leg room. You do need to move the seat pretty far up to get anybody back there. And then here on this cap, it is broke. And you can see it has separated from the back of the seat. So all of this is busted. But it is holding on, and it looks like it got glued on here. And it would hold that pretty well. But it does pop right off, and it is shattered in there.